what we're doing for these here, whoops, just crossed it out, didn't want to do that. Where's undo? There's undo. So what we're doing for these ones here is we're asked to find the gradient, and then from there to sketch it. So once again, it's just a skill in transposing these. So what we do here, to find the gradient, we want it written in y equals mx plus c. So we've got to transpose these. So this thing here, we've got x minus y equals 6. We're going to bring the x over to the other side. So we're going to have negative y equals 6 minus x. As we've got there, so we're just taking away x from both sides. And now from there, we've got a negative y. We don't want a negative y, we want a positive y. So we've got to multiply both sides by negative 1. So multiply this side by negative 1, we get y. Multiply this side by negative 1, we get negative 6 plus x. And then once again, y equals, we want it is x first, so x minus 6. And then from there, we'd sketch that. So put in our axes, we've got a y-intercept of negative 6. So we'll be here at 0 and negative 6. Oops, I can write negative 1, negative 6. Coefficient of x is 1, so that's our gradient. Our gradient is 1. So for every 1 we go across to the right, we go up 1 as well. So we're going to go 1 across, we're going to go 1 up to there, and that ends up being 1 and negative 5. That's 1 across. 0 to 1 is 1 across, negative 5 to negative 6. Sorry, negative 6, negative 5 is 1 up. And let's put a line through that. That's our graph. Next one along, a little bit more in terms of transposing, but not heaps more. So we'll take this 2x, subtract it from both sides to turn it into negative 3y equals 6 minus 2x. And now from there, that should be equals. So now from here, what we want to do, because we always want 1y, we've got to divide both sides by negative 3. So I'll write that step down, so that'll be y then equals 6 over negative 3 minus 2x over negative 3. So from there, then we simplify it. So we've got y equals 6 divided by negative 3, because it's negative 2. Negative 2x divided by negative 3, we have plus 2 over 3x. And then we rewrite that y equal in our y because it makes plus c. So 2 over 3x minus 2. Okay, so now from there, put in our axes. Now we've got our gradient of 2 over 3, and our y-intercept negative 2. So that's what we're going to do. So we'll put that in first, y-intercept negative 2. So we are here at 0 and negative 2. Now, like we've seen there, we've got 2 over 3. So for every 3 we go across, we're going to go up 2. So if we go 3 units across and we go up 2, we're going to be here. And we're at a point, 0 plus 3 gives us 3. And negative 2 plus 2 gives us 0. So that's where we're at there. And all we do, we just put a line through them there. And that's our equation to our line. If we were asked then to, so for example, if we were, in this case, we're asked to find an x-intercept, we would let y equal 0 and we would solve for x. Here, it's already happening, but that's one of the things they may ask us to do. So just to recap what we've done here, we've transposed, so it's in the form y equals mx plus c. Then we've identified a y-intercept, and then we've used our gradient to work out how far across and how high up we need to go to be able to find our next point. To be able to find our next point and then sketch our graph.